product rule. When dividing two exponential expressions with the same base, anybody want to make a prediction what we'll do with those exponents? We added them for multiplication. What do you think we'll do with division?
Times them by each other. Or no, here. So you get the answer of the exponent things and then you times those numbers.
No. We added the exponents when we were multiplying. So what do you think we might do with the dividing? Subtract, right? We subtract.
Oh.
Okay. So very similar situation, except this time we are subtracting. The base is not changed at all. I can't end your class because I'm making a video, but I'll end it when we're done.
You're making a video?
I could just.
Yep.
Hey YouTube.
It's just gonna think I've done nothing the whole while.
I'll be able to clarify that you weren't. Okay, so let's go into some examples.
When you post those, I'll just have the volume all the way up, trying to hear my voice.
No. I
Ones
have.
that you learn.
I've done the study guide.
Or the
thing.
study guide, that's what I was saying.
And I heard Mason's voice more than anyone, even more than the
Do
teacher's
you
voice.
secretly record when you're
I
doing
only heard Xavier.
What?
Do you secretly record when you're doing these?
It's not a secret. Like I just,
It's not a secret anymore. It's
I don't
for
really,
the-
I don't announce it, but it's not a secret. Would you like me to announce it next
We're
time?
going
Yes,
live.
ma'am.
But is that going to change how you behave? Because,
Yes.
well, then I'm not going to announce it.
Right.
No.
Change in a good way.
Change in a good way? Is that what we're saying?
Yeah.
Jackson?
Can I shout out my Discord?
No. Okay, so based on this rule here, I have the same base. So what am I going to do with this 4 and this 2? Gabriel? What am I going to do? I'm going to subtract, right? So now I have 4 minus 2, and I get 6 squared. Okay. Numerator minus the denominator. Write yourself a note. We are doing the numerator minus the denominator. I don't know why some students get confused, but you take the top exponent, subtract the bottom exponent. It doesn't matter if there's positive or negative values. You always do numerator exponent minus the denominator. And again, our base did not change, right? Our base did not change. We didn't do anything. The 6 just carried through the whole problem. So let's try another one. Seven to the 9th divided by 7 to the 5th. What am I going to do? Silas. 9 minus 5. So my answer is going to be 7 to the 4th power. This is when this next example is when these integer rules are going to really start being used from last year. 8 to the 6th power divided by 8 to the negative 4th power.
It's a tricky one.
So this one is going to require some extra effort. This negative symbol does not count as your subtraction. So what you end up with is 8 to the 6th minus negative 4. What do we do when we have minus a negative? Chloe? Yep, this is addition. So my answer is going to actually be 8 to the 10th power. Jackson, did you know that back there?
Yeah.
Is that what you were going to say?
Yeah. I thought you said the 10th and 8. I was so confused, but I realized it was 8.
Yep. Okay, let's do another one. 12 to the 15th power over 12. 12 to the 15th power divided by 12. Yes, sir.
So the one's hidden.
Yep.
So it'd be 15 minus 1, which is 14.
Yep.
Good job, Jackson.
So that one was secretly hiding there.
Oh,
So much, guys.
fast.
To be honest, if we go above 10, we're doing this stuff, I'm just gonna,
So your answers, you mean like the base?
no, like, the other,
The exponents?
yeah.
You're not going to do the problems if the exponent is greater than 10?
There you go.
Well, maybe greater than 11.
Stop.
Well, I don't want you to give up on anything. All right, last example. 22 to the negative 3rd over 22 to the negative 10th. So be really careful. This requires those integer rules again.
Oh.
Whoa.
Jackson's feeling real good about it. Who did you have for 7th grade math?
Benjamin Yoder.
Yep.
Okay, well, he did a good job. Let's go. Let's see how you do.
So they're both negative, and if you have two negatives, that means you plus. So 3 plus 10.
You're so
Or
close.
no,
It's going to be,
negative second.
okay, so I have the negative 3 minus negative 10. So I am going to add the 10, but this negative 3 stays the same. So this becomes addition, right?
Oh yeah. I remember
And then I
that.
get 22 to the 7th power.
Yeah.
Negative?
Not negative. A negative 3 plus 10 is a positive 7.
Yeah, because that is bigger.
That's a tricky one.
That was a trickster.
For the table of contents,
I remember learning.
You're going to put exponent rule, exponents. It'll look just like the one from before, except it'll say quotient rule. We can do that tomorrow if you guys don't have time. Thank you for following